Every company is racing to put AI agents on top of their CRM. Almost no one has checked the data underneath. A human with bad data hesitates. An agent with bad data acts at machine speed in front of your customer. It reads the record, believes it, and moves. No gut check, no second look. We call this structural hallucination. The agent isn't inventing anything. It's confidently acting on what your CRM already got wrong. So, it cold emails a company you are already closing. It pays a net new logo spiff on a subsidiary of your biggest account. It sees one global customer as 4 small ones and treats all 4 as strangers. Bad data used to be a back office annoyance. The second an agent touches it, it becomes a production blocker. Let me show you in action on real data. Let's take the example of Modelo, a Mexican brewery. Looks clean, but the website resolved to Manpower, a staffing company in Argentina. An agent first step is to visit the website and is now reasoning about the wrong company entirely. Here's what matters. Delpha doesn't guess. It stops and tells you exactly which assumption is broken. This is the difference between an LLM wrapper and a verification system. Let's take another example. TreTech. Same error, one step later. Someone put Berkshire's website and on this record, and Berkshire Hathaway as the parent company. An agent treats this account as a strategic Buffett account. Wrong routing, wrong ownership, wrong commission, wrong outreach. Delpha reads the real identity. It's TreTech. Website should be tretech.com. Correct the anchor, detach it from Berkshire as an independent company. The bad website, the fake hierarchy, Delpha repairs the whole chain. Account names lie, website don't. Let's go further. Let's have a look at a group KPMG. You have 146 KPMG records spread across more than 20 different ultimate parents. KPMG SA, KPMG AG, multiple KPMG LLP. No single view of one of your largest customers. Delpha resolved all of them in one ultimate parent and tagged the relationship correctly as member firm franchise, because KPMG is a network of legally independent firms that is commercially one entity. This is the legal versus commercial distinction reps actually sell into. Fragmented value become one powerhouse, account or funds get reattached, group level MSAs and white space become visible. Every chain with an evidence chain, an explanation, and a confidence score. In bulk, inside Salesforce. Remember Modelo? The record where the website was incorrect and Delpha refused to act? Give it the correct anchor and watch what the agent actually gets back. Modelo, Grupo Modelo, AB InBev, the real commercial parent, and it even disregards the Dutch foundation above it as a passive financial holder. Deterministic, evidence in the agent context. This is the MCP call, the same one Agentforce makes before it routes, prospect, and expand. The model reasons Delpha knows.